Touché.
So, is this really the worst night of your life?
Yes.
That hurts. That really hurts.
I'm sorry.
No, you're not. Get away.
I know. I'm not kidding.
There's no wall for me to lean against.
I'm sorry about that. You can prop some pillows up or something.
This isn't awkward at all.
You want to see awkward?
No.
I'll show you awkward.
Here comes YouTube.
Hey. No.
So I got some vibrations.
Oh,
got some vibrations going on up here. Don't read my cell. I'm talking about you. Sorry, there you. I did nothing.
You're right.
At least I know how to keep my balance.
Hey.
Talk to you later. Okay. Bye, Jordan.
Shut up.
You're jealous.
Hey. No.
You totally are.
Oh, terrible.
That's Tristan. Right there. Yeah.
Increment.
I had to think of a name for my other Annie.
Treason.
Where is it? That's his bum.
His bum.
His bum.
That's not very flattering.
He's raping the floor. Hey, how you doing?
Buddy.
How you doing? Any last words?
I'm not a criminal.
Oh, it's Tristan, come here. Hang on a sec, let me put my cell down. Slowly but surely. What? Sorry, I zoomed on your boobs.
What boobs?
You got some there, okay?
A little bit.
Oh!
That's great, my phone. Hey!
Ah!
Hey!
Here comes the bride. Hey, Paris.
Okay, what is this?
Rawr.
Oh, what are you doing? What was... I hate you. Get out of my house.
Totally. I'm gonna text Adrian. Adrian, will you come get me? I don't know where I am, but...
It's lost and I don't know where I am. Oh, I just hurt my legs. My quads. Oh.
Hey, Tristan, guess what I got?
What? Why? What? This is my teddy.
I hate my laugh so much. Oh my. Oh, hey, there you are.
You can't do that. I hate you. Get out. Watch some Spider-Man. You still recording?
Yeah?
Why?
I don't know.
Neither.
I think that's my cue to stop. Bye, guys.